Hello, hello, sweet pies. Is that working? All right. Time for another English private tuition with Auntie Scharf. The reason it's not a good one. I did correct your test from last Friday and I'm not impressed. Most of you have no idea whatsoever what's going on in the English classes and your grammar is all over the place. Yeah, and next Thursday our class test will happen. That's why I decided to have another online private tuition. All right, let's start with conditional sentence type 1. That is the likely case. Something will probably happen. There is already a video from last year, but again, conditional sentence type 1. In your if clause or when clause, you have the simple present, which is really simple. All you have to remember there is the he, she, it, s thingy. And in the main clause, we have the will future. Will is just will plus infinitive of the verb. I will go, I will die, I will drink, I will whatsoever. You don't really need to think. You're getting blood pressure is rising, you see. Or you can add can plus infinitive or must, whatever. I'm not even going to ask that. All you have to know is that. Remember, we had the sentences such as if, because I had her hair really pink that time, if as, I don't know if you can see that because I still haven't worked out how that works. So, hope you see that. If as dyes her hair pink the next time, she will still look absolutely lovely. Or when E continues to play his guitar, all the girls will fancy him and he will get really good or something, whatever I imagined. When or if Jay walks, Chico, he will or he must pick up his poop. That were the examples we had when we spoke about the conditional sentence type 1. Very likely to happen. If plus simple present and in the main clause your will future. Now in the class test, when you get the exercise, spot the if, find the if or the when, and then you know, okay, this is where my simple present goes. And the other part of the sentence, will plus infinitive. All right, here's some examples for you to remember. Very likely, if Miss Scharf finds a pack of crisps in the house, she will eat it. It's very likely. Or if I get a flower for a present, get, not become. Become means something else, folks. I became a teacher, I became a mum, but I got these flowers. So if Miss Scharf gets flowers, they will die. So, yeah, that is very likely. It's not very good for me, but it's very likely. If gets, will die. If Miss Scharf finds an English-speaking CD, she will buy it. Finds, will buy. If Miss Scharf gets a fluffy biro, she will be excited and overjoyed. If Miss Scharf finds a fancy pair of boots, she will buy it. That's for sure. And last but not least, if Miss Scharf finds a bike, she will not ride it because she doesn't like helmets. Okay? Remember that. Very likely. If plus simple present and the will future. Conditional sentence type 2 coming up. All right, babes. See you in the next video. I'm going to get rid of that because I really don't like helmets. Bye-bye, loves.